Good morning. Last week we had to cut out our cutlass bearing because we could not get our
It's not a
propeller.
cutlass bearing, it's a prop shaft. Good morning. Last week we cut out the prop shaft. Absolute showstopper. What are we going to do? How are we going to do it? We had 2 business days left to get a new custom shaft made, a new custom coupling, and the cutlass bearing that turned up was the wrong size, so we also had to take that in to this morning, which is now a Saturday morning, and get the cutlass bearing machine. So
we have 2 days until we get back in the water.
yeah, so Main Engineering have absolutely saved our bums. They've come in on a Saturday, they've got it done.
Custom.
They started yesterday. They've got a custom shaft done, the coupling, and machine down the cutlass bearing.
And they had to order the part in as well, so they've done that really quickly too.
So thanks. Let's just say thanks because it's now Saturday.
Last night we went to sleep at 3 AM. The night before that we went to sleep at 2 AM. So we've had some very, very busy.
Welcome to month 3. Oh.
When is this gonna stop? Holy, oh.
It's all gonna have to be fucking white.
Is that my coat?
I'm gonna say yes.
Great. This is the one we cut out.
This is the new one. These guys are so good. Are you kidding me? Here we go. This is the shop. Main Engineering. Impossible. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you
They
so
didn't
much.
have to
You
help
have
us out.
saved
But
us.
we now have a new shaft, a new cutlass bearing,
And lots of
a new flange, and everything had to be custom because nothing's ever easy.
No.
Yeah.
Look at all the bees in the background.
Here is our new shaft.
So we're going to show you exactly what we've done.
Yep. As you can see, this is our drop the anchor chain. Turns out we had 40 metres. So we had 40 metre anchor chain. Look at that.
Wow.
I'm not just showing you generally. All rusty.
So look at this new one. Picked up in our lovely black pearl. Look at all that stunning anchor chain. That's going to go in today.
We're just about to finish all the filling, everything like that. This part here has been fully ground back, and
Last night we were cutting out really big sheets to feather it out, and we were putting that on, and that was probably 2 AM we were doing that.
then,
But it's nice and dry this morning.
yeah, we're practically on track. I don't know what more to say, but it's kind
Go
of as
on.
easy as this, eh? This is our new
the
cutlass
moment
bearing.
of truth.
That's exactly how we want it.
Wow.
Yeah. Exactly how I thought
Oh. See, that's the bit I was worried about, it going past here because we couldn't get it out this way. Wow, look at that. Yes.
it. Job's on, Johnny.
We're going in the water on Tuesday.
Now we'll show you what we've been doing upstairs because we've been doing things we didn't want to do.
Lots. Well, this to start with, this is our floorboard, which is going to go in the TV room, which is the one that I keep falling down.
Our rail is now fully painted.
That was yesterday's mission accomplished. Gonna start over here. Obviously a mess, but these are all painted. And what are these for is the question. So I'm going to show you. You'll also probably be extremely pleased that we have cockroach bait systems. So we've got 6 of these. I've left them here because I don't know where I want to put them yet. So every time I think of a new place, I then take one and put it there. I think that's quite smart. So we've got one under the sink, painted Stunning. In here, this was probably the most horrible job. You can't really see it very well, but painted all of this. I still need to get in there and do the floor, but the battery box can also go back in. So that's looking a lot cleaner than it was. It took a very long time. I got a lot of paint in my hair, but it's worth it.
What we've done here,
Painted.
But we've grinded back all the bilges so we can paint them. Sarah's going to show you what we painted the other bilges and how they look when they're finished.
Yeah.
You can paint the mast today.
Done. This needs painting. This curtain needs to go in the wash. Let's move our wood. I think that's a chainsaw blade. I don't know why we've got that. Anyway, I've just done something I'm very proud of. Look at this. I think this is my favourite thing that has been done on the inside of the boat. He's really big.
Is that a grasshopper?
I don't know. It kind of looks like a frog.
The grasshopper. Is it? It is.
It's a big one. Hi, Gary. You keep it. Oh, he's moving. Where's he going? Is this a normal thing to have a grasshopper in your hand? What a result that is. That one's done.
Look at that.
Yeah, happy with that, you know?